Hello everyone, so I've been asked many times what sort of camera equipment do I use for my videos. Don't get me wrong, I am perfect, I am getting better, I am buying the equipment as I go. So today I'm going to show you my gimbal. This is it here, it's a Xeon Smooth 4. I bought it from Amazon around about £150. I've just been checking on the computer and they are around about £109 now, so a very good extra to buy to your kit. It comes as this, I'm not sure if you can see. You also get a tripod to put on the bottom. This can be used great to put on any of your normal cameras, say DSLRs that you normally have, but it screws into the bottom just like this, and that allows you, once recording, you can either use that as a tripod if you want stationary recording, or you can drop that down and have a longer reach. So that definitely helps to get the dimension. So if you're in the corner of a bedroom, corner of a bathroom, what you can do is put the camera that far away instead of like this and trying to move your body. So what we do with this is we get our smartphone, camera phone. As you can see, these arms here, they do open up either way. That helps when trying to balance this. So what I mean by that is you get your phone, put that in the bottom, which is there. You pull the left and right arms out, okay? And when this starts up, you press the bottom on button. So you turn it round, and at the moment, you can see it's just flapping around everywhere. What you need to do is get this camera so it's roughly in the middle and roughly like that. So you need to get it 99% the way. The way you do this, you've got a little screw here. You can turn that for get a portrait or landscape. Also, at the rear, I'm not sure if you can see, here there, that's a screw, and you can, this arm pulls out and in. That helps to balance the left to right. Let's go to landscape balance. So, let's see where I'm at right now. As you can see, I'm nowhere, okay? So, turns around. I need to get the balance more this way. What I will do is loosen off the screw in the middle. You can pull it across to the left or right, just like this. So pull it all the way to the right, you'll see top heavy. So that's because I've got the case on, but shove it down, turn it around, and then what you're after is this bit. The best way to do that is shove one in and one down. So push all the way, you'll see it catches, so be careful of that as well. Do so it just, depending on the size of your phone, that'll just pass. So that's 99% there. You turn the on button, see a blue light flash, and then it will come on. There you go. And literally, it's a great gimbal because you can see my hand's holding the extension at the moment. I'm not pressing no more buttons. You can move left and it stays pretty stable. So a lot of cameras, you're like shaking, your arms are aching, your fingers are cold. That vibration affects your camera. Okay. So these are zoom in. You've got switching the camera from reverse to front. Your record buttons. And on the back, you've got two triggers. One, you hold the trigger. Let me turn it around. As you can see, it's following me, yeah? Up and down, it stays pretty central. You hold the bottom trigger, the actual top centerpiece spins slowly. You centralize it, take your finger off, and it only goes left or right. Up or down, it stays center. Hold the bottom trigger, it follows you. So if you're after a sweeping motion, so sweeping around, it follows me around nice and steady. As I said, bottom trigger, hold your finger, it will follow you down. Yeah, and back up, centralize the top trigger that has quick, swift action. Hold the top, in, move, very quick, back, left, yeah, down. It's very swift actions, but works very well. As I said, if you're doing a video, hold the back trigger, follows you around slowly. You pull it up high. As you can see, it's looking over my head. You centralize this, take your finger off, and that will stay looking at your face. So it's a great piece of equipment. All you have to do is turn on your phone. Let me log in. Get my finger on the back. There you go. You go on your app store, you download the app for this. It's called ZY Play. You go on connect. It tries to find your Bluetooth device, which it's trying to do now. It's connecting. There you go. You'll find smooth 4 and some numbers. You press enter now. There you go. You can literally see what's happening. It stays. Keep your finger on. Simple as that. You've got a record button right here. Press record. It links to your phone. Starts recording. Look at the very top. Shows your numbers going. And away you go. You've got zoom in and out. This thing here, which you can zoom in, zoom out, certain items. You've got all sorts of buttons on here. It's about working with it and seeing what you can do. You can stop. You can press the right button and turn up the brightness if it needs to be. Press the left button. Let me get out of there. There you go. Press the flash button. You can change the resolution, the manual, the flash on and off. There's a lot of settings. What I'd say is just leave it as it is. You can actually take pictures here as well. So there you go, taking a picture. And it's pretty simple. There's a lot more functions you can do, but it gives you a really good overview of the gimbal that I'm currently using. I hope that's helped. As I said, I bought about £150, about £109 at present. So yeah, so spins around nice and slow, and that's what it's all about. So yeah, if you've got a bit of a shaky hand or in the cold, buy one of these. Works really well. So hope it helps. My name is John Colclough, Pegasus Property Group. Anything else I can help or create a video for you to learn, don't hesitate. I'm here to help. I will do more just for you. Thank you very much.